Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to go incognito on Google Chrome. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to open up Google Chrome browser. So after opening up Google Chrome browser, you guys have to simply go to top right corner of three dots and click on it. So after clicking on it, it will provide you lots of options. You guys have to simply click on new incognito window, or you guys can tap the shortcut key which is Control Shift N, or in the Mac you guys can type Command Shift N. So after clicking on that, your incognito mode will be opened, and here you guys have to just simply read these instructions provided by Google in order to get secure on incognito mode. And that's all for today guys. In this way you guys can easily browse data privately, and adding a new tab in an incognito mode is also a new incognito tab. So you guys can easily manage incognito mode in Google Chrome. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would really like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.